Bem-vindo to the ultimate 4 days travel guide for Lisbon. In this video, we will take you on a 4-day itinerary of Portugal's beautiful capital city, showcasing some of the must-visit attractions and hidden gems. Day 1. We start our journey in the historic neighborhood of Alfama, located in the heart of Lisbon. Start your day by visiting the São Jorge Castle, a medieval castle that offers panoramic views of the city. Afterwards, take a stroll through the narrow streets of Alfama, exploring the many shops and cafes. Pass through the beautiful Lisbon Cathedral, Sé de Lisboa, the oldest church in the city. For lunch, we recommend trying some traditional Portuguese cuisine at a local restaurant. In the afternoon, visit the Fado Museum, which showcases the history and culture of Fado, Portugal's iconic music genre. Afterwards, cross the 25 de Abril bridge towards Almada, and visit the iconic Sanctuary of Christ the King Portugal, where you can have an amazing view of the Lisbon city center. In the evening, return to Lisbon and enjoy the view of Lisbon at night. Day 2. Today, we recommend exploring the Belém district, located on the western edge of Lisbon. Start your day by visiting the Belém Tower, a 16th century fortified tower that is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Afterwards, visit the nearby Jerónimos Monastery, a stunning monastery that is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. For lunch, try some delicious Portuguese pastries at the famous Pastéis de Belém bakery. In the afternoon, visit the Berardo Collection Museum, which houses a collection of modern and contemporary art from around the world. Afterwards, visit the National Coach Museum, a hidden gem, and enjoy the history of how people used to travel. Then, visit Basílica da Estrela, a Baroque church with twin towers bell. For dinner, head to one of the rooftop restaurants, and enjoy the tranquility of Lisbon at night with the city illuminated. Day 3. Today, we recommend exploring the Chiado neighborhood, known for its elegant architecture and upscale shopping. Start your day by visiting the São Carlos National Theatre, a beautiful neoclassical theater that hosts opera and ballet performances. Next, take a picture with the famous writer and literary figure Fernando Pessoa. Afterwards, take a stroll through the Chiado streets, exploring the many boutiques and cafes. Get a panoramic view of the city center by going up on the elevator de Santa Justa. For lunch, try some traditional Portuguese seafood dishes at a local restaurant. Afterwards, visit Carmo Convent, a ruined Gothic church destroyed by an earthquake in 1755, a hidden gem. Then, head to Miradouro de São Pedro de Alcântara for a different viewing point of the city and mesmerize the beauty of Lisbon. Finish your day at the iconic Marquês de Pombal roundabout with a great view of the Parque Eduardo VII. In the evening, enjoy a delightful dinner at one of the typical Portuguese restaurants in the Rocio area. Day 4. On our final day in Lisbon, we recommend exploring the modern district of Nations Park, located on the northeastern edge of the city. Start your day by visiting the Lisbon Oceanarium, one of the largest aquariums in Europe that features marine life from all over the world. Afterwards, visit the nearby Vasco da Gama Bridge, a modern suspension bridge that offers panoramic views of the city. For lunch, head over to the Vasco da Gama Shopping Center, which offers a wide range of dining options. In the afternoon, take a stroll along the Tagus River and enjoy the modern architecture of the Nations Park area. Take the cable car to go from one side of the park to another and enjoy the view from the top. In the evening, have a dinner at one of the restaurants with a view to the river. We hope you enjoyed discovering the many sights and sounds of this beautiful city. Obrigado for watching, and we hope to see you again soon. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content.